In this tutorial video, we will be learning on matrix product state. We will be doing the coding on Google Colab. Like we did in the previous video, we will be starting with the installation of Blueqat. Type the code, !pip install Blueqat in order to install Blueqat. Let us do it in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. And click on the play button to run the code. Blueqat will be installed after a while. Firstly, quantum machine learning and MPS. Let's look at the matrix product state as a model for quantum machine learning. We will be learning about MPS model and optimization calculation. This time we will make a model called MPS. The image shown is the quantum circuit. It has a shape that takes a wooden structure as a whole. This circuit uses a 1-qubit rotating gate and a 2-qubit gate CX as shown in the image. Then, place the RX, RY, RZ gates, and CX for implementation. First load the tool in Google Colab. First, setting up hyperparameters. Here, initializing the number of optimization calculations, number of quantum circuit parameters to optimize, the fineness of numerical differentiation, the learning rate, then initializing the parameters, then storing the results in list, and then assigning the modes like 1 for training and 2 for reasoning. Then next, define a function where we assign an input circuit, then initialize the target label, and then start making a circuit, and then return the error between the expected value and the label. It will start immediately. Every time the gradient is calculated, the data is randomly selected from 0 to 3 and optimized. And then plotting the graph of the stored values in arrays. It converged well, so we will be checking the results. Thank you for watching this video.